Oh. Mheshimiwa Rais na ndugu zetu, wageni wetu wapendwa, wenye mko hapa, ni furaha yangu kubwa kwamba finally the ordeal and the pain is coming to an end. For 47 days, huyu mama Betty na kijana yake Injendi na kijana yake Shalo na kijana yake Kulova and my favorite boy in that home, kijana yake Musonye, they have not been sleeping for 47 days. 36 kama baba yao bwana yake ako katika hali mahututi. 11 days kama ameaga. I pray kwamba kwa sababu badri ameamua na baba askofu, hii mateso iishe leo. Mama Betty, retire to the house. Mungu atakusaidia, yulikaja pumzika. Vijana wa Injendi, ndio mmechoka. Yes, you are fatigued. Lakini namuonya, msiende kulala. Nataka kuanzia leo, kabla ulale, uhakikishe kwamba umezaa Moses Malulu Injendi. Valuya Shikabeza Kario. Malulu was a good man. Nataka watoto wake waonyeshe hiyo heshima. Nikija hapa, as I will always come, the way I've been coming, I now count Malulu and Malululets. Dikola banje, umaenzi nashira burima sana. Musipofanya hiyo, hata mimi naweza kasirika, niende nichukue boots kutoka kwa retirement, nianze kucheza mpira mpaka naje mundu abalanga anga Malulu Injendi. Valuya, Malulu Injendi was not just a brother to me. Malulu was the political judge of Honorable Soita Chitanda and Dr. Boni Khalwale. I remember 2011, Tulika United Kenya Club, mimi na Soita na Malulu. Malulu akasema, tumechoka watu wa Kabras, watoto wetu wakitaka boarding primary school, mpaka waende Musoli, Ikolomani, Eregi, Ikolomani, Mukumu, Shinyalu, and so on. Akasema it must end. Tukatoka hapo, hamukuandika kwa program Malulu Injendi and Soita Chitanda and we started the first boarding primary school in Kabras at Shitira. May this great lover of education live for many days. Jambo langu la mwisho is to our beloved President. Mr. President, I know the political culture of the Republic of Kenya under the new constitution. Na ningependa nikutulize, nisaidie hiyo culture, marafiki zako na wapinzani wako. The political culture of Kenya from 1992 is that a president serves for 10 years, and I don't believe kwamba it is going to be any different in 2027. You will be re-elected. And Your Excellency, kwa sababu I'm speaking from a point of knowledge, I beg you, Your Excellency, vitu viwili tu. 2027, Your Excellency, in keeping with the political culture of Kenya, is not going to be easy. It's going to be tough. You are going to require men who can take a blow and still say, bring it on. Your Excellency, hapa Kakamega, before you, is a tip of the iceberg of the 1 million votes, the highest number of votes in our community. I want to assure you, we will work on it. It is not going to be easy. I would like you to make it easy for me to work for you. Please, blueprints ya Kakamega, ya Bungoma, ya Busia, ya Vihiga, ya Kitale, tumekupatia. Give us development because we deserve it and because mukhana nali mulai shubolizanga khandu mwakho shendo. Your Excellency, hizi barabara za Malava na the other 12 constituencies zenye waheshimiwa wanazungumzia, I want to put a rider kwamba for over 60 years the development model of Kenya is skewed. Development model is skewed away from Western. As you improve your politics and strengthen, make my politics easy by making sure that you swing the development agenda ikuja Western Kenya so that itoke Central Province where they have everything. Your Excellency, if you do this, it will not be politics. It is because you want to open the economy of Kenya. Opening the economy of Kenya, you have put one straight bullet. Dual the road, iwe barabara mbili, kutoka Nairobi, mpaka Nakuru, mpaka Mau Summit, mpaka Kabrengu, mpaka Webuye, mpaka Malava. The economy of Kenya is going to open in a manner that all Kenyans are going to be happy. I thank you, and Your Excellency, I'm lucky with me. I have a strong team of 11 senators. 7. Senators, stand up. I want to acknowledge you. Mmekuja kunilia. Thank you. Aaron, you keep cool. Senators who are here. Yes. Senator Osoti from Vihiga. Thank you. Senator Okio Mtata from Busia. Senator Alan from Kitale. Senator Beth Sialo from Kitui. Senator Catherine Muma from Kisumu. And because, Mr. President, the respect of the institution of Senate, I will request Senator Aaron to speak at the designated time. But during my time, because this is my count, on behalf of the senators, Senator Osoti will come and give his condolences. Senator Osoti. Baraza, tulia. Barasa, you know Osoti is your party leader. Hey. Basi vanreru mbeta Osoti. Mahoba Kakamega, I can speak about it. I want